Hello everyone, so today we are going to learn about digestion in grass eating animals. So, grass eating animals are also known as cud chewing herbivore animals. So, cud chewing herbivore animals, also called ruminants. So, grass eating animals are also known as cud chewing herbivore animals, and they are also known as ruminants. Example: cow, sheep, camel, buffalo, and giraffe chew continuously. These animals bite off their food, chew it a little, swallow it, and store it in a part of stomach. So, which is the part of stomach? I'll tell you later in the session. Here, food gets partially digested and is called cud. The partially digested food in grass eating animals is known as cud. Later, the food is brought back into mouth from stomach and animals chew it for the second time. So, first, the food goes back into the stomach and then comes back again, and they chew it for the second time. The process is called rumination. So the process of chewing the food for second time is known as rumination, and these animals which do this process are known as ruminants. Ruminants mainly eat grass and leaf. They are rich in cellulose. What is cellulose? A complex carbohydrate is known as cellulose. Humans cannot digest cellulose as they do not have cellulose digesting bacteria. Stomach of these animals consists of four chambers. Now let us see these four chambers. Rumen, a large sac-like structure which harbors large population of bacteria which helps in the digestion of cellulose. So we do not have these bacteria, so we cannot eat grass and the food substances which are rich in cellulose. But these animals, ruminants, have such bacteria, and therefore they can digest cellulose, a, a complex carbohydrates. What is cellulose? A complex carbohydrate. At resting stage of animals, the cud is brought back into the mouth and is chewed further. Since digestion occurs in rumen only, it is called the true stomach of ruminants. So, where does the digestion occur? It occurs only in rumen. So, what is rumen called as? Rumen is called as true stomach of ruminants. So, now let's see reticulum. The second chamber in which the food moves from rumen is known as reticulum. So from rumen, the food goes into the reticulum. So now we have omasum and abomasum. The completely chewed food is passed to these chambers and ultimately to intestine for complete digestion. So from these two chambers, the food is also passed through the intestine, and then the complete digestion takes place. Horses and rabbits have a large sac-like structure called the cecum, which harbors cellulose digesting bacteria to digest the cellulose. So, horses and rabbits have cecum, okay, to digest the cellulose. And in ruminants we have rumen. So now let us see that what we have learned in this session. So, grass eating animals, sorry, just a minute. We have learned about grass eating animals. What are grass eating animals also known as? We have learned that grass eating animals are also known as ruminants. So we have learned this. So we have learned this, and we have also learned that cellulose. What is cellulose? So cellulose is a complex carbohydrate. Complex carb is known as cellulose. We have learned this in this session, and we have also learned that stomach of these animals, stomach of ruminants, consist of four chambers. Which are those four chambers? We have learned that rumen we have, then we have the reticulum, omasum, and abomination. So now we have learned this in this session, and now thank you for watching this video and subscribe for more such videos.